Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HubSpot CRM for LinkedIn lead tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin registering with HubSpot CRM for LinkedIn lead tracking, first, open your web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website. Once on the home page, locate the Get Started Free button and click it. You will be redirected to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password to ensure the security of your account. Select your country from the drop-down menu. After completing the form, click on Get Free CRM. Next, you'll be prompted to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from HubSpot. Click the verification link provided in the email. Once verified, return to the HubSpot site. You will need to provide some additional details about your company. Enter the name of your company and your job title. Then, select the number of employees in your organization. Proceed by clicking Continue. You may be asked to set up a demo or tour of HubSpot's features. You can choose to skip this step if you prefer. Now it's time to integrate LinkedIn with HubSpot. Access the HubSpot dashboard and navigate to the Integrations section. In the Integrations menu, search for LinkedIn. Select the LinkedIn integration and click on the Connect button. You will be directed to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and authorize HubSpot to access your LinkedIn data. Once connected, return to your HubSpot dashboard. You are now ready to start tracking leads from LinkedIn. To do this, visit the Contacts section in HubSpot. Investigate the tracking options available for LinkedIn leads. You can now create lists, monitor interactions, and analyze data collected from LinkedIn. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the reporting tools to evaluate lead performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.